Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Mission to Millions. Let's grow together. If you're new here, please do subscribe to our channel for more videos and press the bell icon to watch our videos first. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to make your competition irrelevant in business. So whenever we start any business you start today, you will have competition in that. What generally happens is we will start some business and we try to do the things which our competitors are doing, whatever they are doing. If they are giving that kind of quality, if they are giving these services, means we try to do something better than them. I'll discuss few things here, and this will be definitely helpful for you to increase your sales and increase your market size, and it will help you to make your competition irrelevant also. So the first thing is eliminating the things. Here what happens is, whatever all your competitors are doing, that you have to eliminate it. Don't do that. Whatever they are doing, you just don't do that. I'll just give you one example. Have you ever thought why there are no competitors to iPhone, why no competitors to Twitter? Even Facebook has a competition, Instagram, right? So something which we all are doing, that all the business industry is doing, whatever business you are doing, your competitors are doing something, that you should not do it. Then that was the first thing. The second thing is reducing. What happens is, sometimes we give the quality, we give the services which are more than the required for the customers. I'll give you one example. If you go to a job and sometimes they will say overqualified, right? Same thing happens here also. When customers think that your service is over it is over, more than the required. I'll just give you this one example for this also. One shop, one hotel, in the afternoon it is giving service as the table service. It is giving, the customer will go and sit in on the table and they will come and serve. That is actually what here customers are like. They want to finish their lunch and they want to go back to their work as early as possible. But doing this tables, this sitting arrangements and all, it is consuming more time. What we have to reduce here is reduce this table system. If you can do this self-service, means here customers are saving their time and your sales also increasing. Your more customers are coming because of quick time. So this will be applicable only if your hotel or if your restaurant, anything which is near to the office place. So this kind of, there are few things in every business. There will be few things which you have to reduce it, which if you're reducing this one, your sales will increase. So the second one is reducing. Third one is increasing. So whatever all your competitors are doing, there is something that we all have to increase it. The customer which all the industry, they had never offered them. So something like that which we all have to improve it, increase the standard, increase the quality. So this is the third thing that we all have to increase. And the fourth thing is creativity. Creativity means, so anything you do, any business you do, there is something we have to create new for the people, for the customers, which no one had ever offered. See, now recently I'll just give you two examples if you're how creativity works here. See, this one, Vogo and all came, right? This is just out of creativity this startup has come. Just like that, even if you're running a startup, if you're running a business, new business, or if you're old into this, just try to apply these four things. First one is eliminate the things which your customers are doing already, they all are doing already. The second one is reduce the standards, reduce the unnecessary thing, reduce the requirement. So for the third one is increase the value of your product. What happens is, I'll just give you one best example. See, in one, and in suppose if you take any food business or anything, just reduce the number of workers, eliminating, and increase the quality. If you're reducing the number of workers, somehow if you're managing reducing the prices to make all the food material, and you can increase the standard of the food. Like I hope you got this one, like reduce and increase. And the fourth one is creativity. Your creativity will definitely help you. Like whatever you do, just try to be more creative. And maybe in the next after few weeks, I'll uploading a video how I applied these four things in my business, how we did this. So I'll be making a video on that. I hope the video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.